That's the most certain round of storms for us. The afternoon and evening really depends on how that morning round goes. And right now it looks like everything's pushing south by the second half of the day. We're looking out for gusty winds and hail as our main storm threats, but we can't rule out a brief tornado spin up as we track these storms. So let's take a look at what's going on right now. Our satellite and radar picture showing very quiet conditions, but that is set to change for many of us starting later on tonight. We do have an isolated storm chance mainly northwest after 8 p.m. We could see some hail, some wind with those spotty storms that form. You'll notice that severe risk lookout area kind of expands to cover the entire viewing area as we head into our Tuesday. And again, this is mainly for that morning round where we have all threats for severe weather on the table, including the risk for flooding. So as we go through the hour-by-hour forecast, once we hit 8 p.m., you'll notice that spotty storm chance moving in. It generally stays out to the northwest near Norfolk through the late night hours tonight. Overnight, our storm chances start to build in, and we are on first alert for a widespread round of early morning storms heading into our Tuesday. And that off and on storm chance, a few rounds of storms, will continue up through the morning commute before chances gradually drop south through the morning. We'll be taking you through the hour-by-hour forecast as we track a few more storm chances for the week ahead, and I'll get you a first alert to how much rain we could see with this round tomorrow. That's coming up.
All right. Well,
roads and potentially some weather-related delays because of those storms that will be ongoing. We'll be down to the upper 60s by about 7 a.m. Storm chances looking pretty likely through the morning commute. Gets gradually drier into the second half of the day. So let's go through the hour-by-hour forecast. Now, late tonight after 8 p.m., we could see an isolated storm or two out near Norfolk. We're going to stay dry in the metro until the overnight hours. Rain chances really pick up after about 2 to 3 in the morning. We'll see a few waves of thunderstorms that we'll be tracking through early tomorrow. Likely becomes a bit more widespread around 7 a.m. By mid-morning, our best storm chances are wrapping up and everything starts to push south. We have heavy rain potential with these rounds of storms, as well as the threat for some hail and wind. We can't rule out a tornado spin up. Now, as we clear for the afternoon, we're going to stay on the cooler side tomorrow compared to the average. Mainly low 80s, a few mid 80s expected tomorrow, high of 83 for the metro. And we'll have more storms in the forecast off and on for the rest of this week. We'll take a closer look at that coming up. Dave?
Emily, thank you.
Back here at home, most students carry a backpack to school each day, and sometimes those bags look about as big as the child. The experts say carrying too much weight or wearing the bag the wrong way can lead to strains. So today, how to properly wear a backpack so that it doesn't become a pain.